Okay. Okay. Good morning, everyone. Good afternoon. Good evening. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. So, last class we have solved this problem. Correct, na? Till this one we have completed. Correct? Na?
Yes, sir.
See, if you are not answering, then I will simply continue talking. You can watch later. Okay. Day to day, I will not end. Who are ready to give response in this class? Whenever I am asking, who are ready to give response? You tell me now. ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಂತ ಮಾಡೀರಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್? ಓಕೆ, ಅಬೂಬಕರ್,
Yes, sir.
ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸ್? ಅಬೂಬಕರ್, ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್?
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. Others, for others, voice is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear? Okay, very good, very good. Okay, Murgesh, Bharta, please give response, okay na? Okay, Murgesh, ನೀನಾರು ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಂತಿರಪ್ಪ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ತನಕ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ, ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾ? ಮುರುಗೇಶ್,
ಹಾಂ ಸರ್.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಪ್ಪ. ಯಾಕೆ, ಏನು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಆಗತೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ? ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್? ನಮೋಕರ್, 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 ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇದ್ದಿ? ಯು ಆರ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್?
No,
No. Okay. Akshata Patil, you were there last class? Akshata
Yes.
Patil, you were there?
ಹಾ ಸರ್ ಅಟೆಂಡ್ ಆಗೀನ್ರಿ.
ಮತ್ತೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಕುಂದಿರ್ತೀರಿ? ಎಷ್ಟು ಸಲ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು? ಓಕೆ, ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತೀರಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಸಿಮೆಂಟು, ವಾಟರ್, ಫೈನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್, ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್, ಕೆಮಿಕಲ್ admixture. Up to this we have completed. Okay na? Up to this we have completed. Now we have to do this portion. What is that portion? Any water correction is there or not? Any water correction we have to make in site or not? That means whether the aggregates are absorptive, means water absorption ಮಾಡ್ತವೇನ check ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, or aggregates already have extra moisture, free moisture like this. So that is also you have to do. See here, one thing, if aggregates will absorb the water, such as this water absorption, then you need to add water. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Whatever thing is there, no, whenever aggregates, I will just make it bigger. I will make it bigger. Now you tell me here, whenever aggregates are given in this condition, that is what, if water absorption of coarse aggregate is this much, fine aggregate is this much, that means what, aggregates will absorb water from the concrete. Okay, so that is why to counteract that one, we want to increase the water. Okay, we want to increase the water. First thing, if you are increasing the water, you have to decrease the aggregate. You have to decrease the aggregate to make it stable. Okay, one thing. If this case actually in problem it is not there, but I will give the explanation. If moisture content is present, that means any aggregate already has some extra moisture, then water content has to be reduced and aggregate content has to be increased. Whether this point is clear?
Yes, sir.
clear.
Clear, huh? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear. Now for this I will going to draw the one table. I will going to draw the one table. Only this is for coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Coarse aggregate and fine aggregate. Okay na? So now what is the weight of coarse aggregate now? In the previous step, what you have found? Coarse aggregate, how much?
1, 2, 3, 4 kgs.
Who is answering?
Shruti,
Shruti.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತ ಇರಪ್ಪ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ. ಓಕೆನಾ? ಪ್ಲೀಸ್. Okay, now 1 2 3 4. Where is that diagram? Here I will write 1 2 3 4. Okay, for fine aggregate. Okay, I will just write here only. I will do. Okay na? Can you? Okay, 1 second. 1 2 3 4. Now, for coarse aggregate, how much is the absorption value? Sorry, not is this. This one, no? This one, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For
0.5%.
5.5% of this, how much? 0.5% of this, how much? Just 1 minute, prayer is going on. Just 1 minute, okay? Okay, now shall we continue correctly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, everyone, please give response. Now we can continue. Now, see, the original aggregate content in the previous step was 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in this case, 0.5% is the absorption of coarse aggregate. Now, 0.5% of this much is how much?
6.17.
6.17. Water is consumed by aggregate because it is absorption. So that is why we want to increase this much water content. We want to increase this much water content. But for aggregate, we want to do this minus. We want to do this minus to make it balance. For water, you need to add. the original water content, whatever it is. Okay, na? But for aggregate, you need to deduct this. Is that okay?
Yes,
Is
sir.
this a step clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I will write it here. Now what was the fine aggregate? 648. So I will write fine aggregate as 648. Original is 648. Okay, na? Now what you have to do? How much is the water absorption?
1%.
So 1% of this, how much? 6.48. Correct, na? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So I will write 6.48. Okay, decimal, you don't worry. So this much water is absorbed by aggregate. So that is why for water content we need to add. But the same thing is deducted in this one. Same thing is deducted in this one. Is that okay?
Yes,
Is that
sir.
okay? Okay, na? Now try to understand this concept. But for moisture content, this will be reverse. Moisture content, this will be reverse. There, if any value is given, no, if any value is given, try to understand this point very, very clearly now. Whatever aggregate they have given, so there, whatever percentage of, let us say, moisture content is given, same thing 0.5 1, same thing. Instead of here, they, if they have given here, so then already moisture is present, so that is why we want to reduce this water content. To make that balance, we want to add this aggregate. Similarly, we want to reduce this water content, minus a sign. We want to add this add this value to this one, if it is moisture content values. But in our case, moisture content is not there. Only thing is there. What is that?
Water absorption.
Absorption is there. So absorption means 0.5 is absorbing, this much is absorbed. So you need to add extra water, and same value has to be deducted from this one. Similarly, for fine aggregate, you need to add this much extra water, but same value is deducted. Is that okay? Now,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
final water content. Final water content, how I should write? Final water content, how I should write? How I should write? Tell me. Original, how much we have calculated?
148 kgs.
148. So I will write 148. Okay, na? Plus this 6.17. Correct? This
Yes,
one
sir.
6.17. Correct? Plus this also we need to add. Correct? 6.48. 6.48. Now what is the final water content?
160.6.
160.65.
160.6.
65.
Okay, no problem. Remember this value. This value of water content is done in a site condition. Whatever we are doing, no, these steps are called as site corrections. What is the name of this step?
Side corrections.
Site corrections. Okay, na? So here, what we need to do for coarse aggregate? We need to minus this, no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
1, 2, 3, 4 minus 6.17. How much?
One two two 7.83.
1227. Okay, it's okay. So similarly, you can minus this value from here, no? Correct or not? Is that okay?
So please pardon.
Which step? Now, for water we have added because it is absorbing, so that is why we need extra water. For coarse aggregate 6.17, we are adding to the original. For fine aggregate, this much is absorbed, so that is why we are adding here. That is one thing, correction for water. Now for course aggregate, we need to deduct this value. So that is why A I have written with minus sign 6.17, the same value. So 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 6.17 is the site corrected course aggregate. Similarly, here 648 minus this is corrected fine aggregate, is called as corrected fine aggregate. Now it is okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now corrected water content, how much you told? 160.6. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Corrected course aggregate, how much you are telling? 1, 2, 3, 4 minus 6.17. How much?
One two two seven.
1227. Okay. Please remember these values. Okay. Na? Corrected fine aggregate, how much? Corrected fine aggregate 648 minus 6.48.
641.
640. Okay. 640. ಈ ಮೂರು ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋರಿ. ಅವ್ರದ್ದು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದಿತ್ತು ನೋಡೋಣ. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಚೆಕ್ ದೇರ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್?
Yes, sir.
ಓಕೆನಾ? ವಾಟರ್ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ 160.6. ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್? ಎಸ್ ಆರ್ ನೋ?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So what they have done, 148 plus 6 plus 6. This is for coarse aggregate, this is for fine aggregate. Now you come here. Fine aggregate or coarse aggregate? Coarse aggregate. How much is the coarse aggregate? Our value?
1227.
1227. Whether that is they have done, where is that coarse aggregate? This. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Correct na?
Yes, sir.
Similarly for fine aggregate, how much they have done?
642.
Our value is how much? Our value is how much?
641.
641 point something. So that is correct.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Okay, na?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now the problem is over. The example is completed. So in the last step, how we have written? No, cement coarse aggregate. Sorry, cement fine aggregate coarse aggregate. So 418, 122 something, 648 something. So this divided by cement 1, this divided by this 1 point something, this divided by cement something was there, no, last time.
Yes, sir. Mixed
Do you
proportion,
remember?
percentage. Yes, sir.
Yes. The same thing has to be done for this also. You have to write at the heading site correction. You have to do site correction. After that, you have to write what? Cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. Their values 412 and what is that corrected? 641. Okay. And what is this? 1227. 1227. So can you divide it by 412? 648, 641. 641 divided by 412. Yesterday, how we have done? No,
1.57.
1.57. So similarly, you do it for this one. Two point
1.91.
Okay. So this is the final mix design after site correction. Whatever you have done in the last class, no, that was before site correction. That is in the laboratory. In the laboratory. Is that okay for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone
Yes, sir.
has understood the problem
Yes, sir.
clearly?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. So my suggestion is you that at least practice this one by seeing the video. You have to make your own notes for this type of problem. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Until and unless you prepare your own notes using the video, then only you have sufficient grip on this problem. Otherwise, you will forget. See here, how they have done, they have solved the problem, but According to our steps, it is not there. No, they have done like this, they have done like this, but I have telling you in the easiest way. So that is why make that thing this one. So same thing they have written after correction, whatever you
Yes,
have
sir.
got.
Yes,
Yes or
sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So this is before site correction. You have to write. And again, here you have to write the ratios of whatever you have calculated. No. So fine aggregate divided by cement, coarse aggregate divided by cement, fine aggregate divided by cement, coarse aggregate divided by cement. Like that you have to write. Is that okay? Shall we go to the next problem?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the previous, see here, this problem also we are doing it by 2019 edition only. Tomorrow we will solve using 2009. Okay, na? Okay, here we also do 2019 only because we will continually solve two problems. In the previous problem, what was there? Only cement was there. But in this problem, they are asking us to add fly ash. Asking us to add fly ash. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, please read the data carefully. Please read the data carefully now. Grade they have given M40, cement 43 grade, normal. They have also asked us to add what? Type of mineral admixture. What they have asked? Can anyone tell me?
Fly ash.
They have asked us to calculate fly ash. Second is what what is it? Maximum size of aggregate 20 mm. Very important. And what is this? You can tell me. Severe for reinforced condition. Yenri ಪ್ರಜ್ವಲದು? Others can also give response. Everyone. Okay, others can also give response, no issues, but you're simply sitting quietly, then you will not understand the problem clearly. It's your problem. So many times I am requesting, you people are not at all answering. Okay, na? It's up to you
Climatic
only.
condition.
Very good, very good, very good. What is this?
Climatic outside environmental climatic condition.
Exactly. This is called as exposure condition. Okay, na? At least you tell me you are following me or not.
Yes,
At least
sir.
everyone.
Yes, sir.
Everyone,
Sir.
please give response. At
Yes,
least
sir.
whether you are following
Yes,
me
sir.
or not. Okay. Okay. At least try to give that much. Whether you are following or not. You are not able to answer. Forget it. Okay. At least give me that, sir, we are following. Okay. Okay. Take a pen, paper, calculator, and also the table. Now, what was the slump given in this question? How much? Fast, read it. 120, 120 mm slump they have given, and normal placing of concrete is not there, but you have to do pumping. You have to do pumping. Degree of supervision good. So type of aggregate crushed, that is no problem. Cement content we have to refer it IS 456. Plasticizer also they are using. Okay, specific gravity of fly ash, super plasticizer, specific gravity of coarse fine super plasticizer. Here they have given what? Water absorption they have given, and also they have given moisture, free moisture. They have given what? Free moisture. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See here, they have directly given 2 minus 0.5. That means what? Total moisture content is 2. Okay. And their what is that? Absorption is 0.5. So actually, how much is there? Free moisture is 4. Like that, you have to understand. While solving, you'll be knowing. Okay. Okay, no problem.
Yes, sir.
So here only you try to understand moisture present is 2%. For coarse aggregate, moisture present here is 5%. Absorption, no doubts. You forget this one. Try to concentrate here. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Now this is the last table and the zone 2, and it is the zone 2. Okay. Now one by one we will proceed. Now First step, target mean strength. Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? So yesterday you have done. So tell me, FCK dash equal to FCK plus 1.65 into S, or FCK dash equal to FCK plus X. So now which table you have to select?
Table number 2 and table number 1, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, Shruti. You are very good person. Okay, na? So for table number 2, so what is M40? Standard deviation. Huh?
5.
Okay. So what they are using? FCK plus 1.65 S. So S इधर क्या use किया है वो? 5.
5 Newton.
Okay, 5. So this answer is coming out to be 48.25. One value. Second value FCK dash equal to FCK plus X है ना ये? X कहाँ से लिया? इधर से लिया. ये जो ऊपर का टेबल है ना, ये जो X वैल्यू, टेबल नंबर 1. इसमें M40 के लिए कितना है?
6.5.
6.5. So they have taken FCK plus 6.5, 46.5. Which is highest?
48.
48.25. So we have to take target mean strength equal to 48.25. Any doubt in this step?
No, sir.
Shall I go to next step?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 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 Next step is the volume of air. Correct? Huh?
Yes,
Volume of air. So how much air you want to take using this table? Na? Table number 3. So what was our aggregate size given in the question? Can you read here?
20 mm, sir.
20 mm. For 20 mm, what is the percentage of air?
1%.
1%. So how to write that one? 1% V air equal to 1%. Simple. Or 0.01. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good. Very good. Now, shall I go to the next step?
Sure, sir.
Yes, sir. Selection of water cement ratio. Selection of water cement ratio. So, which graph? What is our target mean strength? You remember this one, 48.25. Which graph I have to select here?
OPC 43 grade curve.
43 to 53. ये जो है ना, curve 2. We have to take curve 2. In that curve 2, I have to take 48 like this, and I have to project like this. So yesterday also it was there here only. So we are going to take next to 0.35. How much? 0.36.
0.36.
Very good. So how much they have selected?
0.36.
0.36.
0.36.
And that has to be checked with the table number. Which one? This table, na? From IS 456 table number 5. IS codebook e table nodbekavale. IS codebook ಏನು ತೆಗೆಯುದಪ್ಪ? So that is why I am directly taking that table copy paste. So whether we have to take which condition, exposure condition कौन सा दिया था problem में?
Severe.
Severe and RCC, correct? Severe and RCC. So severe and RCC, मतलब ये RCC का है. तो what is the maximum?
0.45.
What is adapted?
0.36 wave.
So it is less than 0.45, hence it is safe. Hence it is safe. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Selection of water content. Selection of water content. So which table I need to refer?
4. Table number 4.
Table number 4. Very good, Shruti. Very good. Very good. So how much I should select? What is the aggregate size given in the question?
20.
20.
20.
mm.
So what is the water content?
186 kg.
186.
So they have taken 186. But that is for how much slump?
50 mm.
First, we will check the condition whether the problem is angular, crushed angular, or some other angular aggregate crushed only. So there is no. So there is no correction. So there is no correction for this for this one. Is that okay na?
Yes, sir.
ये ईद करेक्शन बरेंगिಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಎದಕ್ಕೆ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಹೇಳಿದು? किसके लिए है? अगर there is a change in aggregate type, whether there is any change in aggregate type compared to our standard angular course.
No, sir.
No, this is our standards. In the question also they have given same thing, so there is no correction for aggregate. But whether they have given 50 mm slump in the question,
120 they have given, sir.
120 mm slump they have given, so that is why we have to make the correction. Okay, we have to make the correction. Now you tell me how much increase
70, sir.
50 अपना जो है 120. Okay, so how much increase?
70, sir.
ओके देखो अभी इसमें करेक्शन है, कैसा करना है देखो. अगर वो 75 दिया रहता तो 9% ले सकते थे, यस और नो?
Yes, sir.
ओके अगर 50 दिया है तो हम लोग 6% ले सकते थे. बट वो बीच में दिया है, वो क्या आड़ा टेढ़ा दे दिया. कितना दे दिया वो? 70. It is just less than 9. It is just less than 9. How to do this one? Take the difference of this, take the difference of this. Okay na? So that is what we call it as mathematics में है ना interpolation. We call it as what? Interpolation. For 25 mm change 3%. So for 20 mm, how much you do this one? This is called as the interpolation.
2.4.
2. ठीक है नो प्रॉब्लम. 2.4 रहने दो ना. आपको मैं इसका समझाऊं और एक बार. देखो 50 से 75 कितना है? 25. ठीक है, उसको मैं इधर नीचे लिख दिया. 6 to 9 कितना है? 3 है, उसको मैं ऊपर लिख दिया. मतलब 25 के लिए 3 है, बट हमारा कितना है? बीचों बीच फंस गए ना, 70 है ना, इसके बीच में आ रहा है ना. तो 50 to 70 कितना आ रहा है? 20 है. तो 25 को 3 है, 20 को कितना? Can anyone tell me?
2.4.
2.4. So this 2.4 we need to add to 6 because इसके ऊपर है ना वो. It is coming above. 6 plus 2.4, how much?
8.4.
8.4.
8.4% we need to increase, not 9. I hope now it is clear. Is that clear? है ना? तो वो प्रॉब्लम में क्या किया?
Yes.
कितना परसेंट इंक्रीज किया है वो?
8.4.
आपको समझ में आया? व्हाट वी हैव डन जस्ट नाउ, आपको समझ में आया हाउ इट इज डन? If it is given directly 75 or 125 in the question, no problem, direct we have taken, but they have taken ada teda. Okay, so some intermediate or interpolation we have to do. So this is the interpolation. So 8.4, how you got? Is that clear? Now everyone should tell me the answer. Everyone should give me the response whether you have followed this step or not.
Followed, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, why multiply by 20, sir?
Pardon?
Sir,
Shruti,
why we need to multiply by 20?
हाँ बाबा
Yes,
इधर
sir.
देखो.
Why we
simple.
need to multiply by 20?
हाँ बोलता हूँ. देखो वो क्या है, इंटरपोलेशन में ऐसे ही होता है. हाँ देखो इधर 50 है, ठीक है.
Difference between
हाँ इधर 50 है, इधर 75 है, ठीक है. ये 6% है, इधर 9% है. तो क्या हो रहा है, हमारा कितना है? 50 to 25, 75 के बीच में कितना है
20.
श्रुति? हाँ 25 is the this difference and
Yes,
this
sir.
difference is 3.
Yes,
But whether our increase is 75 नहीं है ना, वो 70 है ना हमारा.
yes.
70 इंक्रीज हुआ है ना, तो 50 to 70 कितना
Yes,
हो
sir.
गया? हाँ 20 हो गया. तो इसके लिए 3 by
Okay, okay.
25 into 20. Simple mathematics. Okay. So this is
Okay, sir.
2.4.
Got it.
This 2.4 is added to 6. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
That is what he has done. 8.4%. So how much is that?
201.62.
201.62 kg.
Now this step is clear. Now, whether
Yes, sir.
they have given in the question super plasticizer,
Yes, sir.
they have given no super plasticizer, and also we know that we can reduce the water content up to 30% if we are using super plasticizer. So that is why that person has selected
Yes,
a
sir.
23% reduction. 23% reduction. So directly he has taken 0.77. देखो बाबा 23% इधर इसको कम करना है ना, तो आप कैसे लिखोगे उसको? देखो 8.4% इंक्रीज करना है तो ऐसा लिख दिया 186 प्लस 8.4 into this much. If this value has to be reduced by 23%, how we are going to write? 201
201.62 minus 23 by 100 into 201.62.
very good, very good, very good, very good. How much it is coming?
So
How much?
155.
Very good. Whether it is clear now for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good. What is your name? Who has told the answer?
Sir, Irshad Ahmed.
Very good, very good, very good. Be participate like this, then you are going to understand. Okay, na? Same thing. So what they have done? Original value 23% decrease minus 23 by 100 into this value. So it is coming out to be 155. This is your corrected water. This is your corrected water. Okay, na? Now, as usual, we know that water cement ratio. Sorry, what is that? Cement content is equal to, how to write cement content is equal to? Cement content is equal to water content divided by water cement ratio. How much it is coming?
431.
431. This step is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Everyone.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Cement content is equal to water content divided by water cement ratio. So 431 is coming. Now, in the question they have asked that we are adding fly ash. We are adding fly ash. So this is not cement. This is cement plus fly ash. I hope you have understood now. In the
Yes,
previous
sir.
problem, only cement was there, but in this problem, cement plus fly ash is there. So 431 is not only cement, it includes cement plus fly ash. Because we are adding fly ash and we already studied in the module 2, module 1, that fly ash is reacting late. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, to have better strength, they are increasing this cementitious material by 10%. So that is why we are multiplied 1.1. So how to increase 10%? 431 plus 10 by 100 of 431. This is the increase, no?
Yes, sir.
सिमिलरली
Yes, sir.
अब उतना डिटेल में नहीं जाना है करके वो लोग क्या किया, 1.1 से मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया. दिस इज सिंपल मैथमेटिक्स. They have increased the cementitious material by 10%. So that is why 1.1 into 431. They have got what? How much?
474 kg.
474.
474. This step is clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So 155, that is the original one. So now again that divided by that and that, they have changed the water cement ratio. Why? We have increased the cementitious content. So water cement ratio is going to be changed.
Yes, sir.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, next step. Total cementitious material was how much in the previous step? How much?
474.
430.
What's it? Hey, here. 431 into 10% extra. How much?
हाँ sir.
470.
470.
They have
471.
they have adapted thumb rule. Fly ash will be 30% of this, 70% will be cement. They have adapted like that. Is that okay?
Yes sir.
ओके ना. सो 30%
Yes,
फ्लाई ऐश कितना आ रहा है, 70% सीमेंट कितना आ रहा है, वो मुझे बताओ.
sir. 330 cement, sir.
Which one is 337?
Cement.
sir. 142 fly ash.
142 fly ash, 332 cement. Correct?
Again.
Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Same thing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now compare this cement content with our standard IS 456 table. How much? Severe condition, and this is that minimum. How much is this minimum?
320 kg.
320.
How much is our value?
332.
332 plus four, that also including flash 474, which is higher than 320. So that is what it is. Okay, it is okay. Now it is clear.
Yes sir.
Everyone,
Yes,
this
sir.
step is clear.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next step. So V equal to V air, V sea, V water, V admixture, and last is what? V aggregate. In V aggregate, we have VCA, VFA. Correct?
Yes sir.
Now, V we will take later, 1. Okay, na? V air, how much is that?
1%.
मतलब 0.01. उसमें साइड में आप लिखो, ऐसे ही बैठने से कुछ होगा नहीं है. Whoever, एटलीस्ट आप लोग जो लोग भी प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं और हम मुझे who are replying, no, write it in paper so that whenever the data is required, you can just give it me back. Okay na? Okay. Now, okay na? So V air is 0.01. Now cement ka cement and fly ash both, sorry, here that change is there, so I have to write VC also and V fly ash. Correct?
Yes sir.
हाँ, सिंपल है ना. लास्ट प्रॉब्लम में सिर्फ सीमेंट यूज किया था, तो इसके लिए मैं वॉल्यूम ऑफ सी, बट इन दिस प्रॉब्लम फ्लैश इज ऑल्सो देयर, सो आई हैव टू राइट VC as well as VF. Is that
F.
okay?
Yes sir.
Yes, sir.
Everybody?
Yes, sir.
Very good, very good, very good, very good. Now air is 0.01. सीमेंट का कैसा फॉर्मूला है? यही फॉर्मूला है ना. फॉर्मूला क्या है सीमेंट का? यही है ना.
Yes sir.
हाँ.
Yes, sir.
Conversion of weight to volume. So volume equal to weight by specific gravity into 1 by 1000. Weight of cement 332. Just now we have calculated. Specific gravity given in the data. So by substituting here, you are getting volume of cement equal to how much?
0.105%.
0.105 cubic meter. Correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay, very good, very good, very good, very good. Similarly, calculate fly ash. How much you are getting? Weight of fly ash by specific gravity of fly ash into 1 by 1000. How much? Weight of fly ash, you have taken it as
0465, sir.
0.0645. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Very good.
Yes sir.
Okay. Volume of water. That is nothing but mass of water divided by specific gravity of water into 1 by 1000. So mass of water 155, specific gravity 1 into 1 by 1000. How much you are getting?
0.155.
Very
0.155.
okay. Now for chemical admixture, that is super plasticizer, there is a thumb rule. 1% of cementitious material. In the previous problem, 1% of cement we have taken, but in this problem, we are taking 1% of cementitious material. So total is 474. 1% कितना होता है इसका?
4.74.
Very
Seven
good.
four.
So 4.74 is the weight of admixture. Is it okay?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
That is why mass of admixture we have written 4.74. Specific gravity is given in the question and into 1 by 1000 they have done. What is the volume?
0.004.
Point double zero.
0.004. Okay na? Now V equal to all those things you have written. Take V equal to 1. V aggregate is the unknown. So 1 minus 0.01 minus water minus cement minus fly ash minus admixture. You tell me V aggregate. Are you people doing the calculation?
Yes, sir.
हाँ बोलो बोलो. ಸಿಂಪಲ್ ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ. ಏನು 1 minus 0.01 minus 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 ಇಷ್ಟೇ ಹೇಳಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡತ್ತೀರಿ ನೀವು?
So 0.6615.
Very good. What is the answer given in that code book? Can you check here?
Yes, sir.
Same thing you are getting?
Yes, sir.
Huh.
Yes.
Now all volumes have been calculated. Again we have to convert all into weights. All into weights. Already cement, fly ash, aggregate, cement, fly ash, admixture, water. These 4 weights we have found. But we have to find the coarse aggregate weight, fine aggregate weight separately. We have to separate it separately. Now, how to take that VCA and VFA? How to take that VCA and VFA? Which table? You tell me. This table?
Yes, sir.
Table number 5, correct?
Yes, sir.
Correct or not? Okay. Now, same thing. Whatever we have done in the last class, same thing we have to do. What is the zone of sand given in the question? Zone? Which zone? Here I have marking, no?
Zone 2.
Zone 2. So I have to select this column.
Zone 2, sir.
And what is the aggregate size they have given?
20 mm.
20.
So
20 mm.
0.62.
So by intersecting this row and this column, which value I have to take?
0.62, sir.
0.62. 0.62 you remember. 0.62 you remember. But we have to do some addition. No, we have to do some addition. What was our changed water cement ratio? In the last step we have calculated something water cement ratio. Is this the water cement ratio?
Yes, sir.
हाँ
0.32, sir.
ठीक है. सेम थिंग जो हम लोग लास्ट टाइम किया ना वही करना है. 0.5 माइनस क्या है वो? कितना आया था?
0.327.
0.327. ओके ना. सो ये कितना आ रहा है?
0.173.
0.173. ओके ना. ये एक वैल्यू है. तो मैं इसमें लास्ट टाइम क्या लिखा था? आई हैव टू डू लाइक दिस 0.05. ओके. And this is 0.01. Okay.
Multiplied by 1.173.
73. कितना आ रहा है ये?
.0346.
0.03466. Okay ना? So this you need to add to here. Correct? Last time भी ऐसे ही किया था ना हम लोग.
Yes, sir.
How much is this one?
0.6546.
0.6546. This is your VCA. 1 minus this. 1 minus this. That will be your VFA. Correct? That will be your VFA. So 1 minus VCA equal to VFA. How much?
0.3454.
0. One minus this.
.345.
.3455.
3, 4, 5. Bust more digits to saak. You can take maximum 3 digits, Baba. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Okay. Now, this is inside aggregate. Okay, na? So you remember these two values. You remember these two values. Okay, I will come to this one. I will come to here. Okay. 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 Now, what was the volume here? 0.661. 0.661. They have done a mistake. So what they have to write there? VCA. How much?
.6546.
0.6546. They need to write it here. 0.6546 and specific gravity and 1000. Similarly, 0.6615 into what they should write?
0.346.
0.346. 0.346. Okay.
Yes, sir.
One small thing. Okay, one small thing. They have not done mistake. We have missed one step. We have missed one step. This is correct. Until this is correct. Okay. 0.6546. This is also correct. So here, can you see 0.6546? Correct or not?
Yes, sir.
आपको हम लोग क्या ऐड किया था इधर ऊपर? 0.0346. Okay na? See here, they have also added 0.0346 and they got 0.6546 as VCA. इसमें वो लोग करेक्शन क्या किया है वो मैं बोलता हूं, क्योंकि द कंडीशन इज दैट व्हाट इज द प्लेसिंग ऑफ कंक्रीट, वेदर नॉर्मल है पिछले प्रॉब्लम जैसा या कुछ अलग है.
Pumping.
मेथड ऑफ दिस स्टेप आई हैव मिस्ड, बट दे आर इंटेलिजेंट, दे हैव नॉट मिस्ड. ओके, इज दैट ओके? In the previous problem, that was normal concreting. Okay na, normal concreting. There pumping was not there. That is why whatever value we have just done, no, that value they have taken and 1 minus that they have done. But in this case, because of pumping, we have to reduce this coarse aggregate by 10%. That is the intermediate step, very, very important. So that is why they have written for pumpable concrete, the values may be reduced by 10%. Now you have understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now you tell me, if you reduce 10% in this one, if you reduce 10% in this one, or you multiply 0.9, correct? 10%
Yes, sir.
reduce करना भी सेम है या फिर 0.9 से मल्टीप्लाई करना भी सेम है. So that is why 0.6546 into 0.9 is your 0.589. They have rounded to 0.59. So this 0.59 is your VCA. 1 minus 0.59, that is 0.41, is your VFA. Correct? Now it is okay?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Is that okay now? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Ah.
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So those things they have written. Whatever just now we tried to write it there. No, 0.59, 0.41. This is your aggregate volume previous step. Aggregate volume previous step. Okay, na? Aggregate weight or volume. So 0.59, 0.41, specific gravity, 1000. This will be your weights. This will be your weight of coarse and fine. Whether this step is clear for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir, no sir. Okay. Now write it in a table form.
Yes, sir.
Okay, na? How to write it? Cement 332, fly ash 142, water 155, fine aggregate 719, and coarse aggregate 1069, and chemical admixture 4.74, and water cement ratio 0.327. Now can you divide it by this one? ಇದೆರಡು ಸೇರಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದಪ್ಪ ಇದು 444 474 474 ಓಕೆನಾ 474 so this is equal to 474 I will write it as 1 now you tell me 719 divided by 474 how much 719 divided by
1.510.
huh?
1.510.
1.51 okay na 1.51 remember this value hello problem page number 21 I'm just checking that problem, okay? No problem. This is the problem, okay? No problem. Here, okay. 1.51. And similarly, divide the coarse aggregate by 474. How much? Hello?
2.25.
2.25. So you can write it like this, no? 1 is to 1.51 is to
2.5.
2.25. This is your concrete mix design. So 1 includes cement and fly ash. Okay, 1 includes cement and fly ash. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. This
Yes,
step is
sir.
clear.
Yes,
Last step is water. Only 2 minutes is there. You remember these values. All these values are called as before site correction. That is inside the laboratory. Before site correction inside the laboratory. Is that okay? This step.
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
for site correction, this data we need to take. What is that data? This and 2%, 5%. ಇದನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ನೀವು ಮಾಡಕ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಡ್ರಿ, ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಡ್ತೈತಿ ನಿಮ್ಗದ. Okay, 0.5, 1, 2 and 5. Okay, I will do like this. You will be easy to understand. Just I will write what is that value? Aggregate. I will write aggregate. Okay, na? Coarse aggregate. What is the coarse aggregate value? 1069. Okay, na? So what is the water absorption? First I will do for water absorption. What is the water absorption percentage for coarse aggregate?
0.5%.
You do 0.5% of this. Answer here, bro. 0.5% of 1069. Baba, 1% ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ 10.
1603.
Huh?
1603.
ಏನದು?
1603, sir. 0.5% of 1069.
ಹುಚ್ಚಿಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ದೈತೆ ನಿನ್ಗೆ? 1069 ಇದು 0.5% ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬರ್ತದೆ ಅದು ಭಾಳ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಂಗೆ 5 ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಬರ್ತೈತೆ ಅಷ್ಟದ 5.69 ಬರುತ್ತೆ.
Sir, 5.345.
ಒಬ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ರಪ್ಪ
5.345.
5.345. Okay, so this you need to add water, but same value has to be deducted for aggregate, correct? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ಕೊಳಕತ್ತೀರೋ ಇಲ್ಲೋ? Everyone is writing there. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Okay na, so this table you can make, okay na, one long table. So I have written coarse aggregate, its original weight. So these two things are for absorption. These two things are for absorption. That is very, very important. Okay na. Similarly, I will do calculation for moisture present. I will do for moisture present. Okay na. What is the moisture present for coarse aggregate? Not for fine aggregate. What is the moisture present for coarse aggregate?
2%.
Correct. ಹೇಳೋದು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಅದ ನೀ 2% ಅದು ಹೌದಾ? So 2% of this how much?
1069.
ಏ ಬಾಬಾ 2% of 1069 ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂದೆ?
21.
See how ಈಗ
21.38.
ಅಭಿ आप 1 second.
Sir,
अभी आप
21.38.
21.38.
38.
ओके, ये वाटर है, ये अग्रीगेट है, इधर भी मैं 21.38 ही लिखता हूँ. 21.38 आपको प्रैक्टिस करना पड़ेगा until unless you are not going to do. अगर अब्जॉर्प्शन है तो प्लस वाटर माइनस अग्रीगेट लिखा. अभी मॉइस्चर है, एक्स्ट्रा मॉइस्चर है, तो वाटर को क्या लिखना है? माइनस. अग्रीगेट्स को क्या लिखना है?
Plus.
प्लस. आपको समझ आया? इधर पानी अब्सॉर्ब कर रहा है तो इसके लिए ज्यादा पानी डाल रहा है. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಅಬ್ಸಾರ್ಬ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್ ಲಿಂದ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೀರನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಯಿಶ್ಚರ್ ಇಸ್ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್, so that is why we are reducing that moisture by making less water. ऑलरेडी पानी है मॉइस्चर में हिसाब से, तो इसके लिए हम लोग माइनस कर रहे जो भी आ रहा है वैल्यू. रिवर्स ऑफ वाटर, इधर प्लस है तो माइनस अग्रीगेट करना है, इधर माइनस है तो इतना प्लस अग्रीगेट करना है. इज दैट ओके?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
सब
Yes.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಈ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ?
Yes, sir.
Everyone understood this problem, this
Yes,
step?
sir.
This step very important.
Yes, sir.
Now wait. See here, aggregate corrected value क्या होता है लास्ट में? this minus this plus this. Do you agree with this or not? Final aggregate corrected value is nothing but wherever minus is there you minus, wherever plus is there you plus for coarse aggregate. Now you tell me how much? (1069) minus 5.345 plus 21.38. How much?
1085.04.
1085. ಇಷ್ಟು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಸೈಟ್ ಕರೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಕೋರ್ಸ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್. ಇದು ಒಂದು. ವಾಟರ್ದು ಇನ್ನೂ ಐತಿ, ವಾಟರ್ದು ಐತಿ, ಫೈನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟದ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೇಮ್ ಥಿಂಗ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಒರಿಜಿನಲ್ ಫೈನ್ ಅಗ್ರಿಗೇಟ್? ನಾ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಎಷ್ಟೈತಿ?
719.
719. ಓಕೆನಾ? 799. Okay, now come to this one. How much is the water absorption? 1%. 1% of this. 1% of this. How much?
7.19.
7.19. So absorb हो रहा है तो पानी को हम लोग क्या करना है? प्लस करना है ना?
Yes, sir.
So reverse of that will be your aggregate. Okay.
Minus aggregate.
Minus this
Yes, sir.
aggregate. Okay, in aggregate. Now come to this. What is this next? Moisture present. What is the moisture for fine aggregate here?
5%.
5%. Where is that? 5%. So 5% of this, how much?
$35.95, sir.
Huh?
35.95.
35 point. Okay, you leave the decimal, no problem. 35. So whether I have to do minus or plus here?
Minus, sir.
Minus. Okay. So set same value for aggregate. How much I should do?
Plus, sir.
प्लस सिंपल सिंपल ये मॉइस्चर के लिए पानी माइनस करना है और अब्जॉर्प्शन के लिए पानी ऐड करना है. नाउ यू टेल मी करेक्टेड फाइन एग्रीगेट हाउ यू हैव डन हियर नो दिस माइनस दिस प्लस दिस हाउ मच
नतेशा नगर में हुआ है जनाजे की नमाज बाद नमाज इशा हाशमी मस्जिद के सामने आने की रहेगी वहां से मेरी गुजारिश है जनाजे में शिरकत फरमाकर मरहूम के लिए दुआ मग़फ़िरत करें इन्ना लिल्लाहि व इन्ना इलैहि राजिऊन.
446.81.
हाउ मच
446.
कैसे रे ये है ही 719 माइनस 7.19
746.
हाँ
746.81.
तो corrected is 746. Now coarse aggregate corrected after site, one step. Fine aggregate corrected after site, second step. Water is remaining. No, water is remaining. What was the initial water content in this step? I am marking there.
155 kg.
155. No? Original was 155. Now, very important. Here water add, here water minus. Here water add, here water minus. So 155 plus this minus this plus this minus this. 4 values you need to add, subtract like this. Are you understanding? पानी इधर ज्यादा करना है माइनस करना है तो 155 प्लस दिस माइनस दिस plus this minus this. How much?
Sir, fine.
हाँ क्या हो गया?
Sir, repeat that once.
वाटर का क्या पूरा repeat करो.
So water का.
वाटर का देखो सुनो कोर्स एग्रीगेट में क्या किया दिस कोर्स एग्रीगेट माइनस दिस कोर्स एग्रीगेट प्लस दिस कोर्स एग्रीगेट ठीक है इसमें भी पानी का वैल्यूज है आप लोगों ने उसको कैलकुलेशन में नहीं लिया फर्स्ट थिंग फॉर फाइन एग्रीगेट ऑल्सो सेम थिंग ओरिजिनल फाइन एग्रीगेट ओके minus this fine aggregate plus this fine aggregate you have done but here also water you have left whatever plus sign is there you add to that whatever minus sign is there you deduct in this simple no 155 plus minus this simple hai na baba 155 plus 5 point something plus 7 point something minus 21 minus 35 total adding total deduction ऐसे
Sir, 111.158.
111.126.
111 बस उतना कर दो 1 2 2 2 नको चाहिए पॉइंट के बाद इज दैट ओके
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
हाँ अभी आप लोग ये वैल्यूज रिमेंबर करो क्योंकि हम लोग वो देखने की द book has given same thing or different they have given okay according to us whatever step by step we have followed everything is correct water 111 okay fine aggregate 746 coarse aggregate 1085 all these are after site correction that is very important that means after applying this water absorption and moisture we are final value just go to this just check whether our water is 115
111 is our water.
what is the difference here 111 and 110
1.
One,
only
sir.
small no that is not a big thing correct फाइन एग्रीगेट हमारा कितना आया था?
746.
740.
हमारा फाइन एग्रीगेट 746 आया था ना, ठीक है. सो इधर कितना आया?
748.
740.
748.
उतना डिफरेंस नहीं है ना?
Yes, sir.
नो प्रॉब्लम, दैट इज ऑल्सो नॉट अ इश्यू. ओके, नेक्स्ट. कोर्स एग्रीगेट हमारा कितना है?
1085.
1085.
1084. और उनका कितना आया है?
1085.
1085.
तो ठीक है ना, हमारा प्रॉब्लम ही करेक्ट है ना. एग्जाम्पल वगैरह, सीमेंट
हाँ, sir.
fly ash will not change. Cement fly ash will not change for site correction. Whatever they have designed, no, that will come. Water, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate, these things will change. Chemical admixture will not change. Chemical admixture will not change. And water cement ratio, you have to do. So can you do this? How we have done? No, 474. 474. It is there, no? So fine aggregate 748 divided by this, 1084 divided by this. So how much? 1 is to dash is to dash. You tell me. This is the last step. This is the last step what you have to do. Whether I am audible clearly for everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
This
sir.
is the last step, huh? If you are telling me, I will wind up the class.
Sir, 1 dash to 1.57 dash to 2.28.
2.28. Very good, very good. Okay, now this is the mixed design at this water cement ratio for site, means after site correction. Whatever you have done, no previous step here, this is for before site correction. Understanding this site correction is very, very important. According to me, I have explained it in a very detailed manner. Do you agree with this or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I request everyone, see here in the class, I will be angry while teaching you, but please, my humble request is that after the class, you watch that record again, video again, and slowly write down the notes. Slowly make that notes. What is happening here? I am just simply making using the mouse. If it is in the classroom, but I can use chalk piece board so that my handwriting is clear. But in this one, very difficult. Okay, now. So that is why I am requesting you to practice. Is that okay?
Yes, sir.
Please, my request. Everyone, please.
Yes,
My
sir.
my class is over. Okay, na? Please reply now. At least please reply now. Whether these two problems are clear,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
whether
Yes,
the steps by steps, whether you are going to write it in your notes.
Yes, sir.
I will ask assignment later on. I will deduct marks for you people. Okay, na? If you are not writing, please write that problems once again. Everyone is going to do that one.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you very much. You can give the attendance by writing USN and name. And take care. Bye bye. Have a nice time. Have good coffee. Okay. And Shruti madam, and you have what?
Yes, sir.
Bangda fry.
Sure, sir.
Okay. 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 Prajwal, very good. Today you have interacted very nice.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. You can leave. Irshad also has done very good job today. Bharta, okay.
Thank you, sir.
Bharta also participated. Okay. Danesh also participated. Namokar also participated. Everyone has participated. Okay. Thank
you,
you.
sir.
Bye bye.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.